Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Amazon Prime Video not working on TV. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that. You just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here and you just go down here. Then you click here on apps and it's going to take you to apps window. Just go down here to looking for Amazon Prime Video app. You will go to find this, you will click here on Prime Video, then it's going to take you to next window here. You click here on force stop and you click here on OK. Then you go down, you click here on storage and you come to storage window. Just click here on clear cache and you click here on clear data. Then you go to your Play Store. So you click here on Play Store, then you search for Prime Video, Amazon Prime Video. It's going to show for you like this. You will click here on update, you will find there update, you will click, then it's going to fix video and it's going to work on your TV. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.